Hi guys, Shreya here. So today I will be unboxing these log stars. I have series 1 and 2 with me. I have a cute little bunny from series 1 and the grumpy dog from series 2. I got these from Amazon on a very high discount. So these log stars are basically cute logs which can be used as an action figure. On the packaging it shows you can put these on your shoes or bags or anywhere. I think these are not much of locks, these are more of a cute accessory. I'm going to start unboxing the series 1, the green cute bunny. You get like 2 keys and both of them are shaped according to the shape of your lock. On the box it shows we have a surprise toy as well. I'm opening the series 1 carefully, trying not to ruin the packaging because I really like the color combinations that they've used. Can you guys spot the sneak peek of our surprise toy? Inside you will find the character booklet. So we have 2 sides of the booklet and a huge range of characters, both the mystery and the original ones. So I think we've got this pink bomb kind of thing, and it's got very little storage in it. We have got lock accessories as well. So we have this cute little piece of cake, and then I'm trying very hard to take out the keys and the bunny because you can't take it out without ruining the packaging. Oh my god, it's so cute. Let's try and put the smaller lock in that. We have number 20.5 in the smaller one. We have another storage in the bunny's tummy, and we have a cutie carrot. Now moving on to series 2, we have a grumpy little doggy, and we'll open it up. So I came across these log stars while I was watching YouTube. It was like pop-up advertisement, so I googled about it and I found it was really cheap and cute log kind of a thing. We have series 2 booklet, which is having a wide range of characters again, and we have 2 sides of it. Looks like we have got 219. And as for the mystery character, I think this looks like El Macho or some masked character like El Macho from Despicable Me 2. And I am just trying to take out the accessories. These have got really cute accessories. The detailing is very good for such a small product. And again I am trying to take out this doggy without ruining the packaging, but looks really hard to do that. So I've got another pair of hands helping me out here. So you see 4 hands. Other hands belong to my brother because I got this dog for him. The accessory and the dog are complementary to each other, like both of them are these masked characters, and you can see how well the quality and the detailing is. So this also has a similar key and it opens up, and this is how both of them look together. Then again there's this button. If you lose the key sometime, this you can click on this button and open the lock like so. It's a really good feature, I feel so, because if you ever lost your keys, then you will know how to open it. But then I think these lock stars are more of an accessory. Like, I am emphasizing on the word accessory because these just look cute, and these are directed towards kids, so that is supposed to be um unhazardly, but I think it's got small pieces, so not good for younger kids. The keys look really cute, and everything has got lock star written onto it, like you can see the back. So all in all, for the amount I paid, it is a really cute accessory, and these are just fun looking lock kind of characters. These are not locks, so I am emphasizing onto it because I think the purpose of these locks was to teach small kids how to actually use locks. But me being an adult, I think of it more as accessory which would look good on my bag. This is how all the accessories and stuff look together. Like, we've got the keys, the accessories for each of the characters. They've got a lot of characters, and I think you could invest in them if the price is low. As for the video, I hope you guys would have enjoyed watching this. I really feel happy whenever you guys comment, so do like, comment and share this video. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, and have a great day, guys.